Seventh problem, evaluate the following by using suitable identities. So first one is 99 whole cube. So we have to use the suitable identities. We have to use the formulas and solve this. So let us start the solution. So they have given 99 cube. So 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 cube. So it is in the formula a minus b whole cube. So let us write that identity a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. A is 100 and b is 1. So 100 cube minus 3, a is 100 square, b is 1 plus 3a is 100, b is 1 square minus 1 cube. Cube of 100. 2 zeros are there. So 2 threes are 6. So we will get 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 3. 3 ones are 3. 100 square means 2 twos are 4. So we will get 4 zeros. That will be 10,000. So 3 into 10,000 plus 1 square is 1. So 1 threes are 3. 3 into 100, 300 minus 1 cube is 1. Next, 3 into 10,000, so 30,000 plus, if we subtract 1 from 300, we will get 299. Next, let us subtract that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 30,000. 0, 0, 0, 0. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9. Next we have to add this 299. So 299. 9, 9, 2, 0, 9, 7, 0, 299. So 970, 299. Second bit, 102 whole cube. So let us write that in solution. 102 whole cube. So this 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. So it is in the formula a plus b whole cube. Let us write a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. A is 100 and b is 2. Let us substitute that. 100 cube plus 3, a is 100 square, b is 2 plus 3, a is 100, b is 2 square plus 2 cube. There are 2 zeros. So 2 cube is 2 threes are 6. So we will get 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 twos are 6. And square of 2 zeros, that will be 4 zeros. That means it is 10,000. 10,000, 3 twos are 6. 6 into 10,000 plus 2 square is 4. 4 threes are 12. 12 into 100 is 1200 plus 2 cube is 8. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. Next, plus 6 into 10,000, that will be 60,000 plus, if we add this 1208. Next, add this all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 4 zeros are there. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1208, 1208. Add this 8, 0, 2, 1, 6, 0, 1. So this is our final answer, 1061, 208. Third bit, 998 whole cube. So in solution, let us write 998 whole cube. So this can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. So it is in the formula a minus b whole cube. So let us write a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So a is 1000 whole cube minus 3a square. A is 1000 square, b is 2 plus 3a is 1000, b is 2 square minus 2 cube. 1000 square, so 3 zeros are there. 3 3s are 9. So we get 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 3 2s are 6. So 1000 means 3 zeros. 3 2s are 6. So we get 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 1000 is 12,000 minus 2 cube is 8. So let us subtract this. So total 9 zeros are there. Let us write that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 60, sorry, 1, 6, 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. In last we are having 8. That also we can write here. Let us write 8. If we subtract this, 10 minus 8 is 2. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 minus 6 is 3, 9, 9. Next, we have subtract this 2 from this. Next, we have to add 12,000. So 12,000. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 1 is 10. 4, 9, 9. So the final answer is 994011992. Fourth bit, 1001 whole cube. So in solution, let us solve this. Given is 1001 whole cube. So this can be written as 1000 plus 1 whole cube. So it is in the formula a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So a is 1000 and b is 1. Let us substitute 1000 cube plus 3 into 1000 square. B is 1 plus 3a is 1000. B is 1 square plus 1 cube. 3 zeros are there. So 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So we get 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 3 ones are 3. And 1000 square will be 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 3 ones are 1 square is 1. So 3 ones are 3. 3 into 1000, 3000. Plus 1 cube is 1. Next, we have to add this all. So how many zeros are here? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 3 6 zeros. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 3000 plus 1. 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 0, 0, 3 and 1, 0, 0. So we have got 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1. Eighth problem, factorize each of the following. So the first bit is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So we have to find out the factors. So let us start. In solution, let us write the given 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So this is the given first bit. Next, here we can see this 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. The cube of 2 is 8. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2a whole cube plus b cube plus, according to the formula. So what is the formula for cube? We know the formula, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is equal to a plus b whole cube. So this is the formula. According to this formula, we have to take. So we are having 3 in this formula. So let us write 3. What is a? 2a. So 2a square. Square of 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. So 12a square b plus 3. A is 2a and b is b. So b square. So for this formula, by this formula, we can write what is a. A is 2a plus b is b itself. So whole cube. 2a plus 3b whole cube. 2a plus b whole cube. So these are the factors. Second bit, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So in solution, let us write what is given. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. It is the same as the first bit, but the difference is there for b. So let us write 8. 8 is a cube of 2. So 2a whole cube minus b cube minus. So let us write the formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is the formula. And here it is a minus b whole cube. So a here is 3. So let us write 3. What is a? A is 2. 2a. So 2a square. Square of 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. So we have got this 12 and a square and b plus 3. A is 2a. 3 2s are 6. 6a b square. So what is a? A is 2a minus b is b. So there are 3 factors, 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b, that is 2a minus b whole cube. Third bit, 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square. So let us start the solution. 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square. This 1 can be written as 1 cube minus 64. 64 is the cube of 4. So 4 cube is equals to 64. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So 4a whole cube minus. Let us write the formula again. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus 3a plus 3a b square is equals to a minus b whole cube. So here it is 3, a is 4a, 4a square, a is 1 and b is 4a plus 3, a is 1 and b is 4a square. If we observe this, square of 4 is 16, 16 3s are 48. So we are getting this 48, and here also 3 4s are 12a. So this is also we are getting, that's why it is correct. Next, what is a? A is 1 minus b is 4a, 4a whole cube. So these are the three factors, 1 minus 4a whole cube. Fourth bit, 8p cube minus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p minus 1 by 125. So let us write that in the solution. 8p cube minus 12p square by 5 plus 6 by 25p minus 1 by 125. So we need to find out the cube. So 8 is a cube of 2. So we can write 2p whole cube minus. So leave this. Why? Because we are not getting cube. So where is the cube? Cube is here. So 125 is nothing but the cube of 5. So we can write minus 1 by 5 whole cube. Now we will take the help of the formula. So the formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube is equals to a minus b whole cube. So here it is 3, a is 2p. So 2p square. Let us check that. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12. So we are getting the 12. Next, b is 1 by 5. Next, plus 3a. a is 2p. b is 1 by 5 whole square. So square of 1 is 1. Square of 5 is 25. Next, 3 2s are 6. 6p. 6p 1s are 6p. Now we can substitute in this formula. So what is a? A is 2p minus b is 1 by 5 whole cube. So these are the factors.